Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can perform simulate scan with the temperature on your Realme GT2. So to start, we have to open the Play Store, then look for the body temperature thermometer app. Look for that one and install it. Skip this window and now go to the simulation section. To start the process, hold your finger in this place. Skip video. This is my result. If you want to save it, click here, click save, and that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.